Hello, we are Team Neutrino Nerds, and today we are excited to present our solution for problem statement on hardware inventory management for police departments. The need for better management of police equipment is crucial, and our proposed system, a centralized smart inventory solution, aims to address these challenges by improving efficiency, resource allocation, and overall operational performance for law enforcement agencies. Our solution offers a centralized system that allows real time tracking of equipment across all police stations, ensuring proper distribution and preventing equipment shortages. We leverage AI analytics to predict usage trends, optimize inventory levels, and anticipate maintenance needs, thus regarding equipment downtime. By integrating both local and central databases, our system facilitates seamless data flow between police stations, enabling better coordination and oversight. Now, moving to the third slide. Technologically, our solution is built using Flutter for the front end, offering a cross platform mobile app for both Android and iOS devices. For the backend, we are utilizing Firebase, which provides real time data management, authentication, and cloud storage. We have integrated AI algorithms using TensorFlow to analyze equipment usage and predict maintenance needs. The system is hosted on a cloud infrastructure, ensuring scalability and smooth synchronization between the central and local police stations. This combination of technologies ensure that the system is not only efficient but also easy to adopt. Moving to the fourth slide, we recognize that implementing such a system comes with certain challenges. One of the primary concerns is ensuring seamless data synchronization between local and central databases, which we addresses by using cloud-based redundancy protocols. Another challenge is in ensuring user adoption, especially for police personnel who may be unfamiliar with technology. To mitigate this, we plan to provide comprehensive training and ensure the interface is simple and and user friendly. Last, as we handle sensitive data, cybersecurity is a priority. Moving to the fifth slide, our system offers a significant benefit by providing centralized real time tracking. Police stations will always have the equipment they need, which reduces downtime and improves overall efficiency. Additionally, predictive maintenance ensures that equipment is serviced before it fails, leading to cost saving by avoiding emergency repairs and unnecessary replacement. This efficient inventory management system also contributes to public safety as well. Maintained equipment allows law enforcement to respond faster and more effectively to emergencies. In the long run, the data driven insights provided by our system will help optimize resource allocation and ensure that law enforcement agencies operate their best. In conclusion, our centralized smart inventory system provides a modern tech driven solution to the challenges faced in police equipment management. It reduces costs, enhances efficiency, and ultimately provides to safer communities. Thank you for your time, and we look forward to your feedback.